Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am proud to present to you the newest generation product in the field of ironing, the Model IB40 Compact. Why compact? Because the whole thing has a folded length of just 117 centimeters with an ample 45 centimeter long board, which gives you a really easy ironing experience using the largest surface area possible. As you will see, this product is also very easy to use. You put about a liter of water in here, you switch it on, and wait for the green light to come on. I would just like to give a little technical explanation. Inside this piece of equipment, there is a tub made of inox steel with a resistor which is completely outside the tub. This means that you can put in tap water without any risk of the formation of limestone on the resistor. It is possible to use tap water, but we recommend that you use distilled water or choose a bottle of anti-limestone water or Aqua Plus. You have steam power at your disposal of 110 grams per minute with 3.5 bars of pressure. Let's start the demonstration straight away. Let's take a shirt. I imagine almost all of us have pressed in creases by mistake. That's what I'm just doing. Here you have another switch, and by putting it to position 2 and turning on the steam, the ironing board starts to inflate. You will see that by moving your iron in any direction over a ball shape, it is practically impossible to get the creases wrong. Here is another advantage. When you have delicate items such as a pair of suit trousers, which are generally difficult to iron, why? Because they have pockets on both sides. You will have noted that it only takes a second or two for an iron pressed onto the bottom of the pocket to leave a permanent mark. As before, I inflate the ironing board and then I can work on a real cushion of air without ever leaving marks on the bottom of the pockets. Yet another advantage. It sometimes happens that you have to iron printed fabrics. In this case, I've chosen a dark colored t-shirt with visible stitching, plastic prints, and sequins. With the stitching, we all know that if I place my iron on it, even for a second, it will leave a mark on the back of the t-shirt, while plastic and sequins are impossible to iron. As before, I turn on the steam to make the ironing board inflate, and then I can work directly on the stitching and on the printed parts without the risk of leaving marks on the front or on the back. So, by using the blower mode, position 2, you will be able to iron even the most delicate of fabrics. Switching to position 1, the board will stop blowing and start to suck. The great advantage now is being able to save up to 70% of your time. Let us take, for example, a pair of jeans, just out of the washing machine and nicely wrinkled up. You fold the legs together. You can do the same for sheets and pillowcases. You fold them up like a handkerchief, creating 5 to 10 layers of thickness. Now the ironing board is not blowing, but sucking. And that suction, combined with a pressure of 3.8 bars and 140 grams per minute, will let you iron in just a few seconds, not 2 layers, but even 4. Another advantage of this product, a heating system with an aluminum plate for even heat distribution and to totally eliminate steam condensation. Gone are the days of drops of water collecting under the ironing board. You can even do vertical ironing. Given that we have 3.5 bars and 110 grams per minute, you can block the iron if you want to work exactly like the professionals. It is precisely this power of steam that lets you iron anything whatsoever in the blink of an eye. Curtains, drapes, even coats. A great advantage of this generation of ironing boards is their way of folding. As you will see, it could not be simpler. You simply need to remove the wire from the guide. Included with this item, there is a silicone cover in which you can put your iron even if it is still hot. There is also a little flap which you adjust, which will let you put the iron down anywhere you like. As I am demonstrating, you can even put it down directly on the clothes you're ironing. You take off the guide, on the left or right, and you put it under the lining so you don't lose it. Turn it off at the switch and simply fold the little iron plate like this. Now unplug the electrical cord. In just a moment, you can fold up your ironing board. You have a lever here. Press it, and the ironing board folds itself up and locks completely. Yet another advantage making this product extraordinary is the wheels. You can transport it very easily from one room to another. This is a really exceptional product from the latest generation of technology with, as you can see here, 9 different heights. So you could even decide to work sitting down. The fan is totally enclosed, with suction, blower, and exit for air. A unique product using the latest technology, which speaks for itself, as demonstrated today. I hope that you have enjoyed this demonstration. Thank you all very much, and see you again soon.